Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely great, and my name is Khwahish. Yeah, welcome to the channel, and I really hope that you are watching this face for the very first time. Before we get into today's video, let me just give you guys a little bit of my intro. Hi, my name is Khwahish, and I'm a language student. Like, I have been studying Japanese since 3.5 years now, actually more than that. And currently I am also a working person, like corporate girl, you can say that. Yeah, currently this is what I am up to. I think that is enough. Okay, so from few days I was watching these white sauce pasta recipes on the internet, on the like YouTube and Pinterest, and I was actually craving one. Like, मैंने सोचा था कि I want to make myself one. So yes, let's get into today's video. Today I'm gonna make white sauce pasta. To be honest, I am not a great cook, definitely not, because I just suck at cooking, to be honest. Like, I am a person जिसको आप खाने का देते जाओ, but when it comes to cooking part, you can ask my mom. Like, cooking के लिए तो if you will ask my mom, she definitely can write a whole damn essay, like a paragraph, on how much I suck at that. But we are not going to talk about that. We are going to try. Let's see how it works, let's see how it goes. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get into today's video. Also, I have like a quick haul for you guys, because अभी आते आते मैं just लेके आई हुई है. Okay, so firstly let's do a quick haul. Firstly, we have this red chili flakes. After that we have this oregano, 2 cheese. मतलब मुझे actually में mozzarella cheese चाहिए थी, but they don't have one. So I'm going with these. Maida, the ginger garlic paste. And then we have this capsicum, corn. Okay, so yeah, this is it for the haul. These are the things that we needed, and apart from it we need milk and some of more vegetables. Yes, so let's get into it finally.
A few minutes later.
Wow, matlab I'm so talented. I actually bought everything that we need to make this white sauce pasta, regardless of what is the main ingredient, and that is pasta. Yes, I don't have pasta. Regardless of that, I have everything with me, like the ingredients and all. I mean, how can someone be this talented? I am. So yeah, we don't have pasta, and we were going to make white sauce pasta.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं?
तेरे को पता है मैं पास्ता नहीं है मेरे पास, पास्ता लाना भूल. But anyways, let's go and get pasta first. Of course, without pasta, these ingredients will do nothing, of course. So let's go. Okay, so finally pasta is here. Oh my god, let's get into it. Fatafat se. First step first, we'll take these pastas to boil. मम्मी पास्ता boil किस में करते हो आप? मैक्रोनी पास्ता? तो अभी के लिए we are going with 1 packet only, because
बचेगा फालतू पैकेट में को गुस्सा आएगा फेंकने पे.
To be honest, I'm like having this gut feeling that it will take me around good hours if I don't hurry up, because it's already 5 PM right now. Okay, so the pasta is boiling right now. Till then, जब तक ये boil हो रहा है, let's do something else, because let's chop the vegetables, and yeah, let's get into it.
Many months later.
Okay, so before that, like before chopping the vegetables, let's make the white sauce. Like, what is really needed, because after making white sauce, it would be like easy to just chop the vegetables and unko fry karna and all. So let's get into making white sauce first. Okay, for that we need a pan. And also आपको अपने white sauce को आपको अपने पास्ता को ऐसे ही नहीं रख देना है. You need to check it after every minute that is it boiled or not. कहीं ज़्यादा boil ना हो जाए और या फिर कच्चा ना रह जाए. अभी तो it is not boiled. but just in case. Okay, so we don't have like a non-stick tawa, so we'll be using this pan. I think this will do the thing to make white sauce. Let's see if it works. Karna hi padega because we don't have any other option. It has to be work. It needs to be work out. Let's get butter. Okay, so now we are getting into making white sauce, for which we need this pan, of course. और किसमें बनाएंगे हम? After that we need some butter. Let's add some butter into it. Okay, so after adding butter, the next step is to add maida into it. Let's go. Wow, video was off and I was continuously speaking. Wow, very good. Today I'm doing such a great job, you know. Video was off and I was, you know, continuously talking as if the video was on. But what I said is, I really hope this works out.
A few inches later.
Update. Guys, ये जल चुका है. This is all burned. I don't know if this will work out. I'm saying it very slowly because if my mom will hear me like talking this, that it is almost burned, then I am burned. So I don't know how to figure this out now, but let's go. It has to be white, but it is going on something else. But again, we can't do anything. Let's fix it. No. The problem is not of my camera. The color is, yes, this. I don't know. It's the white. I'm trying to make it like white sauce pasta, but I don't know. Somehow the color is changed. You guys know why the color is changed. And lumps nahi padne chahiye was the target, but it is something opposite. But anyway, let's continue. And for your information, I have added this chili flakes and some oregano and some cheese into it, and I'm just, you know, doing this. Yes, stirring it for some while. Okay, so I've drained the excessive amount of water and pasta is here. Okay, so now I'll be adding some butter into it. Spoon कहाँ गई भाई? Where is the spoon? Where is the spoon? मैं इतने बर्तन जो गंदे कर रही हूँ ना, लिटरली मम्मी मुझसे ही मंजवाएंगी. Now let's add some veggies into it. For your information, I'm adding onions and capsicum only. Spoon से क्यों बार-बार कर रही हूँ? Like if I have this, we should use this now. Why am I using spoon? We just need to, you know, soften a little bit these vegetables. थोड़ी सी soft हो जाए. So for that I'll prefer keeping this over it so that ये थोड़ा सा soft हो जाए maybe. But guys, our white sauce is definitely not looking white sauce. So I have decided to make white sauce again. I'm speaking slowly because mummy's so rahi. And if she heard me saying this, she might kill me because of, you know, because of wasting the material, the ingredients. So without any further ado, let's try to make it right now, because we can't just, you know, waste ingredients. And I think I might not be filming now because I want to get this white sauce right proportion, and I need to make it white. Like, I need to get it white, if you know what I'm. Okay, so now I think we can say that it looks like the white sauce actually looks white, and repeating the same procedure, बस थोड़ा सा concentration के साथ it worked out. I'm damn tired. Like, I'm so tired making only this white sauce, and this is the main ingredient. I had to make it right. The mess I've created here is just unbeatable. Look at this, the whole mess, and अभी तो कुछ बना ही नहीं है. Oh my god. So in order to just lesser down the thickness of the white sauce that I made, I boiled, or what should I say, yeah, I warmed up some milk, some amount of milk, and added into it. But still I think the thickness is same, but I don't know, like it actually works, but I think the thickness is actually so much कि अब ये इतनी ही रहेगी. So I think we're done with this. I have also added some veggies into it, the one which I fried, and yeah, let's add pasta into it finally. Okay, so after creating all this mess, we are finally done with making it. It's just that it is boiling some kind of, because of, I don't know, pasta actually ठंडा हो गया. So yeah, it has to be, because this is my life and things won't get perfect, or should I say right, because I'm doing them, isn't it?
One eternity later.
Okay, so our white sauce pasta is here, and I don't know how it looks like, but yeah, this is how it is. Above all, I really want it to taste good, rather than just by looking at that it looks nice and all. But yeah, let's see how it tastes. Acha, let's see how it is. So tell me how it is. अपना honest review दे.
Out of 10,
Yes, जल्दी ठंडा हो रहा है, मेरे को भी खाना है.
give it 8.5.
8.5. Oh really?
Yes.
Seriously?
हाँ तेरा पहला ट्राई था and you did great job.
थैंक यू. चलो भाई, मैं भी खाऊं फटाफट से. लेट्स गो. भाई तुझे पता है वाइट सॉस का कोई और ही सॉस बन गई थी पहले तो. Okay, so here is the final thing. After spending, I guess, around 2.5 hours on this, and yeah, this was exact my reaction, because to be honest, it was not around 8.5 what my sister rated, because I don't know why she rated at the first go, but after eating it like a little more, she knew that it is not. But I guess anyway, this was the first try that I tried making it, and it was not good, to be honest. But again, here's the reminder that please try things that you really want to try, and if you won't try, you never know that how that they will turn out.